This 2013 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 35 QBA is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, TV, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, smoke detector, slide out, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk beds, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2013 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 35 QBA is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.